Hi, it's Mark Eaton of Craig Tool, and I just want to talk a little bit about the Hamilton Wood Show. This show is one of the shows that you need to get to. Lots of deals, tons of savings. I'm in the Tegs Tools booth right now. Come on in, pick up some of the Craig product, go home, start building your future.
I'm here at the Hamilton Woodworking Show. I work for Lee Valley and Veritas Tools, but I'm actually not in that booth. I'm in a demonstration booth right next door, and a good friend of mine, Steve, and I are putting together this beautiful cabinet so that people can see how a woodworking project goes together from start to finish. I like working with Gina and with the Hamilton Show because it's a really well-attended show. Lots of people have been in and out watching lectures and participating in what's going on around the show, so you don't ever want to miss out on a chance to come and check it out.
From the Hamilton Wood Show 2018. My name's Rebecca Issawa.
I'm Jen Garso.
And we're very happy to be at the Wood Show for our 4th year in a row, representing Mohawk College.